Yeah! Sounds a little bit better.
God, I don't know if he's there anymore.
So you'll see the first part of this video, I'll be out there with Brian. We did pretty good. Landed 3, or tagged 3. Landed 6, hooked into 10. So we had some action. Yesterday Earl was out with Matt chasing dreams. It wasn't very hot. So hopefully we get in them. Alright, we're keeping it simple. It's just a little mooching rig with a hoochie. We did pretty good north, just out in front of the lighthouse at 200 feet.
Time to get by. The watch pot never boils. Says you like start. Oh, you got it on again.
You didn't put a hoochie on that way. We found them. Oh yeah, she's coming in quick.
I'm gonna get right on the back of the boat again. You all ready?
Yep.
Oh, not quite.
Come on, please be a keeper. Keeper, baby.
That's
Dead fish.
yeah, bad day to be a salmon.
Yes, sir. Sounds a little bit better. Can you tell if it's wild?
Looks like a hatchery. Can you look? I don't see a fin.
Nope, we're good. Very nice, very nice. Baby, I think I'm done. That's a good one. That's what I like right there. That's the size I'm looking for. Man, he ate that up too. All right.
I'm not letting up on him.
All right.
Oh, he's still there. He's still there. Yeah! There we go. Is he good? Yep. Nope. Wild. Oh, dang it.
Dive. So bring that line and images. There you go. There you go.
That's a fish.
That's a fish. Good one.
Still there. Oh, he's still there. Hurry up. Get over here with the net. Gotta go there.
Keeper.
Hey!
Yeah!
Hey.
Yeah!
Bring that in here.
Oh, I better double check just in case. Oh yeah.
Slick. just helping me feel better.
I'm just helping you feel better.
Oh, I got.
All right, this is day 2 salmon fishing. The other day we did pretty good. Got 3 out of 6. Kind of hooked into 10 of them. And then yesterday was pretty slow. Today, hopefully, it's gonna be better. So stick around. Got my brother with me today. Yeah, hope you enjoy.
Hey, that's a hot fish.
Yeah.
I'm switching over bigger hooks if we lose one more fish.
Good job. All right, we're putting bets on which rod's gonna get takedown first. Terry's thinking it's his. Pretty sure it's gonna be that one.
Hey, there's a fish. There's a fish.
There we go.
Alexis.
Alexis.
Fish shell. I think it was up to 20 feet, 25 feet.
Want a real... When you get the flasher up close, bring your own.
That's a nice fish, too. That's a nice fish. Let me get this one. Might be a little shit. Native? I wouldn't use the net. I just grab the... You tighten the drag. Sure it's a native?
Got them on the same spot.
Maybe
No, it's Coho.
look at it. They got those black tips there.
It's Coho.
You know what? I decided I'm not gonna keep this one. I can't make it happen.
Yeah, don't change too much.
I gotta quit these barbs though.
This one's good. How deep were you?
And the whole time freaking pulling the pants on. Hey, that's a hot fish. Somebody grab that one here. Reel her in. Reel her in. Reel her in. Keep it tight. Keep the tip over here. Don't pull hard. Just steady reel. Steady reel. Keeping it up.
You got any more of that set up?
I don't have that factor. But what I got is on this rod too. I think we moved this rod over here on this side. We run it at 25 feet. He's gone. That freaking rod. It's the rod.
Grab his net. Oh, right over the line. Go down, go down, go down with it, go down. Oh, I caught it, I caught it. Don't let me hit a boat, all right? Get that sucker.
That's a big fish too. Native.
Go, go, go. I got this one.
Bring him up towards the front. Bring your rod up this way. Andy's on. He was a native. Oh, he's still on?
Don't reel anymore. Don't reel anymore.
Bring your rod up.
Bring your rod over here. From the back. From the front. There you go.
Oh, jeez.
Here, scoot over there. Line out. Line out.
We got keeper fish.
Woo! Yeah, Kevin!
There we go. It's about time.
Kevin, nice job.
Nice job, buddy.
That was a bad net job.
That's horrible.
That was the worst net job ever. I was afraid of losing.
You want to double tap that marker?
That fish was freaking hooked every which way. That was chaos. He's already knocked himself out. He's up on.
Marked it way on the right.
I don't care. We just got a double.
Oh man, that was awesome.
Here, I'll take this. You need to tag your fish.
Wait, hold it.
You got your app?
Here, you got that? Okay, here, hang on, I gotta get that. You got it?
Yeah.
Wait, bud.
Turn that wash station on? Or you want to hop in the cabin for just a minute?
You know how to tag it? Pin clip, Coho.
It's number 9.
Hey.
Go, 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 go. Reel. Esther. So as soon as it gets like right here, bring your rod tip over there. Keep your rod tip over there, even though it's hard to hold. That's a dead fish. Oh, got the freaking weight. You gotta be kidding me. Really. Okay, let line out. Hit that lever right there.
Dang, it's a fat one.
Nice. can't believe it. Freaking net.
Yeah, you're lucky it didn't come off, huh? So
Yeah, just waiting for it to come off. Any slack?
I never caught one before.
There's always something. Just hook the net hooks the hook and pulls it out. Pulls it in from the tail.
Sweet, good job.